bag na rabi iyo, padak na kailokwan, happy Valentine's. Narod siya ni Marinette iti ayat ti kailokwan, narod intay padanon iti maysa nga sorpresa nga impadanon iti maysa nga marino, ket intay nga rod ipatulod dagitoy sorpresa timbay sa honors. May kayon, intayon. Mexican Ma'am Edwin. Happy Marinette ma'am from ayat ti kailokwan. Tulo kayo. Sila ka. Ma'am, sino ti amo yung ngalan ni Tede? Yung sorpresa ng kadaming kanya.
Yung Michael?
Awatin yung mga dito.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
And this is the letter for yung mga agapo kanya. So, ibasa klatan mo. Can they give you the one surprise na yung
Serious?
Yes.
Oh my God! Naghagal na!
So, this is for you, Mom. To my dearest Lynn, if I could give you one thing in life, I would give you the ability to see yourself through my eyes. Only then you would be able to realize how special you are to me, my Lynn. Thank you so much for everything. I love you, my Lynn. Happy Valentine's Day. Love, Michael. Happy Hearts Day, my love, Michael. And magkayat mo man lang ipadingi or ipatulod ka ng mensahe. Ano kayat mo na ipadano ng kanya?
Tama ka dala ipited na or something. Oh my God, Michael! Not unexpected, I swear. You keep on amazing every day. Thank you so much. Actually, I don't celebrate Valentine's Day. I really don't celebrate Valentine's Day kasi na-trauma na ako and you know that. And actually, aga po kami ng Robinson Itay. Napakam nagpakpaka-bitter, nagbakal-bakal and something, napakam nagsan-sunset with my friends without knowing nga dagayang kastoy. So thank you for changing this Valentine's. Thank you for changing this year. I love you, gawit ka.
Then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest and you asked me to stay over. I said I already told you. I think that you should get some rest. I knew I loved you then, but you'd never know. 'Cause I played it cool when I was scared of letting go. I knew I needed you, but I never showed. But I wanna stay with you until we're gray and old. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I'll wake you up with some breakfast in bed. I'll bring you coffee with a kiss on your head.
Ang among din na sorpresa iting padanon ti ayayat din na nga may sa marino nga ni Sir Michael. Taakas ko na at that trauma na iti Valentine's Day. Ket itaal nga daw, napansunan nagwalwalay kay nagpakpakabi. Kit ita nga Valentine's, nasukatan nga rot, DJ na trauma na itimpaay ni Sir Michael na sorpresa para kanya. Kit ibaganan, na mesa nga aldaw dito nga di nantukulos ang malipritan. Itun maminsan manin nga gayem ken kakabsat, kuyugen dakam tumanin. Basta ayat ti kay Lokwan, serbisyo na kit mapagkalkal. Bye-bye!